Hello, welcome to Mehitre German Academy. Today's session is going to be very special one. In today's session, we are going to talk to those students who have a desire to make it big in their life, who want to see their dreams come to reality. And we are sure all those who are watching this video have that determination to see their goals achieved. One way to do this is through high quality and affordable education. These two words rarely match. Or do we have a chance to match them? Let's find out. The land of Mozart, the land of the great scientist Einstein, the land of ideas, Germany offers this unique opportunity of experiencing high quality and affordable education. As I explained in our previous video, where we reviewed the German educational system, all schools and universities which are maintained by the government do not charge any kind of educational expenses or fees for not only its local students but for also those who want to study in Germany. Is this the only reason to study in Germany? Not at all. With its 400 plus German universities, this great European country offers a huge selection of courses and international study programs for students to study. With 16,000 plus international study courses and programs, with the addition of new and innovative study courses every year, Germany offers a wide range of subjects and courses for its international students. With a wide range of subjects to study, such as mechanical engineering, automotive, chemical, software, computer science, follow subjects such as filmmaking, architecture, the arts, and many more fields. But how can you gain this high quality and affordable educational experience? How can you study in Germany? There are several steps to follow, and we will go through them one by one. First, think, research, and decide. It's important to decide upon a subject which you want to study in Germany. With so many subjects offered, it's important and essential to decide which subject you want to study before you apply to study in Germany. After having decided the subject which you want to study, the second point is, how will I finance my studies? Where will the money come from? To that, to study in Germany, many organizations offer scholarships to study for brilliant and ambitious students like you. One of these organizations is the DAAD, DAAD, that is the German Academic Exchange Service. Here, you can not only get scholarships but increase your chances of studying with multiple scholarships in Germany. When your financial needs are sorted with, the next point is how to get into a German university and what are the requirements. As all the German universities which are controlled by the 16 German states have different requirements due to the difference in their regions. However, there are some common documents or requirements which you need to fulfill, such as you must have your passport, a photocopy of your passport, your previous educational qualifications, etc. And the most important requirement without which you can't land in Germany is the student visa. Getting a student visa. How can you get a student visa? For that, you can contact your German embassy in your country, or you can visit or reach out to the German consulate located in your country. To process a visa takes typically up to 6 or 8 weeks. Next is compulsory health insurance. Whether you are a foreign exchange student or somebody who is trying to make it happen in Germany, one of the mandatory requirements is compulsory health insurance. Next, we have, after verifying and readying all these requirements, is how to apply to a university. For that, you need to choose a university. Choosing a university depends on several factors. First is the course which you have chosen. Does the university have it? If that's okay, then where is the university located? Although location doesn't matter much, but after you land in Germany, the costs of staying in some place such as rent and other basic as well as cultural needs, the costs of these things add up. Therefore, it's always helpful to choose the university based on these factors as well. After you have chosen and applied to the university, you need to apply before the deadline and as soon as the call for application is announced. After having fulfilled all these requirements, the most important requirement is to learn the German language. Even if your program or course is taught in English, it's important that you learn the German language. Learning German before you land in Germany is not only beneficial for your student visa application, or some of the universities require that you produce a proof of your language skills, but it's also helpful to connect you with the German social life. With German as your second language before you land in Germany will help you in experiencing the vibrant cultural life of Germany. Not only this, having a upper hand in the German language can help you to grab an internship or gather work experience, which is quite beneficial and advantageous in today's professionally competitive world. Learning German or completing one level of the German language normally takes up to 4 to 6 months. Therefore, it's important to learn German as soon as possible. We are sure that you will take the right decision. Communication happens through interaction. Therefore, if you have any doubts, questions, or suggestions, you can write them down in the comment sections below, and we will try our best to answer these. As well as you can reach us out through the various social media handles and through our contact or email facility. Thank you for watching this video. Mehetre German